Hello everyone, this video is for the Progressive Kids online classes, and in this video I'm going to be going over how you can install the Arduino IDE and get started with Arduino programming on a Windows computer. So to get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and within Google Chrome I'm going to search up Arduino download on Google, and I'm going to go ahead and click on the first link. You can also just go ahead and type in this URL directly if you'd like to. Now, for this class, we're not actually going to be using the web editor. Instead, we're just going to be using the Arduino IDE itself. And the way we'd like you to install it is to go ahead and click on the Windows installer up over here. And you can download if you'd like to, but for now, we're going to go ahead and just download. And you can see the download has started. The download might take a little while, so go ahead and give it a few seconds. I'll start the video back up when it's done downloading. Alright, once the Arduino installer is done downloading, what you can go ahead and do is click on File Explorer and go into your downloads, and then find the Arduino installer you just downloaded and double click on it. A window is going to pop up and it's possibly going to ask for your password. Go ahead and type that in and press yes. You'll see this window pop up. Just go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. Press next, press install, and wait for the software to finish installing. Alright, you might see this window pop up during the installation. Go ahead and click install, and click install. Alright, once the Arduino installation is completed, you can go ahead and close the installer. You can go to your desktop, or you can search up Arduino to open up the Arduino IDE you've just installed. You might see this pop up. Go ahead and click on allow access. It might ask for your password again, so go ahead and re-enter your password. And once you finish that, you'll have successfully installed the Arduino IDE. Now I'm going to switch gears real quick and go over to the document camera to show how you can go and connect your Arduino to your PC. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the document camera and see you in a bit. Alright, so you can see right here I have my Arduino, and I also have a USB-A to USB-B cable. And now all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab the B end of my cable and plug it into my Arduino, and then I'll grab the A end of the cable and plug that into the computer. And you should see that your Arduino receives power and it turns on right away. For the next step of this video, I'm going to be going over how you can get the Arduino IDE to detect your Arduino, and how you can upload the code from your Arduino IDE to your Arduino. Alright, you can see I still have my Arduino IDE opened up right here. Now to connect our IDE to the Arduino that we've just plugged in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go under Tools, I'm going to click on Board, and then I'll click on Arduino Uno, because the board that we're using for this class is the Arduino Uno. And then I'm going to go back onto Tools, I'm going to go into Port, and then I'm going to click on COM3 Arduino Uno. Now the COM number might be a bit different for you. Just click on whatever is available and make sure it says Arduino Uno next to it. Alright, now that we've done that, we should be connected to our Arduino. To test that out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to run a test program to ensure that we can upload our code to the Arduino and get it to run properly. So what I'm going to click on is I'm going to click on this icon over here to open. I'm going to go into Open, Basics, and then Blink. Now what that's going to do is it's going to open up another window in our IDE. This window is going to have some basic code to run a test script. That script that's just going to turn the built-in LED on the Arduino on and off. So what I'm going to do to upload this code to the Arduino is I'm first going to click on verify to compile the program and make sure everything is written correctly. So you can see there are no errors in the output and everything was able to compile properly. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on upload to upload this code to the Arduino. You can see it's done uploading and was able to upload correctly. Now let's switch back over to the document camera to see what the output looks like on the Arduino. And switching over to our Arduino, you can see the built-in LED is now blinking on and off every second or so. So that tells us our code was successfully able to be uploaded to the Arduino and is now running properly. Alright, so one last thing I would like you to do before the class begins is to actually go onto your desktop and right click and go under new and then folder, and then name this folder something like Arduino code or something similar. And now this folder should be where you store all of your Arduino files for the duration of this course, just to make it so that you have all of your files saved in one central location, and that makes it a little harder for you to accidentally lose some of your code. So as an example of how to save your code to this folder, I'm going to go onto the Blink window that we just created, and I'm going to go under File, and then I'm going to click on Save. I'll click on OK, and then this window will pop up and I'll navigate to the folder that we just created. And I'm going to call this file something like day 0 blink example. I'm going to click on Save, and then if I click on Arduino code, you can see that the Arduino IDE has saved our code here for us. Alright, so make sure you do that every time we create a brand new file during the classes. And I think that'll be it. I hope you found this video to be useful and were able to properly get everything installed. If not, feel free to ask us any questions. Otherwise, see you until next time. Bye.